Hey everyone. So the first thing we do is we check the scores to see which ones we have buy signals. For copper we have buy. Strength is also good. For crude oil also we have buy. And then for RTY, YM everything is sell. So we can so here we got a copper and taking long with copper. So I took a long with copper. So if you're a new trader, you can just take the along with the trend. Once you gain experience, you can take the opposite side, like we did this morning with ESNQ, right? Because we saw that it went all the way below level 8. Then we saw there is a potential upside move. Then we started taking long on ESNQ, even though it was below the magnetic level. But yeah, for you, if you want low risk trades, especially with the prop firms, you can just go with the trend. If the trend is bullish, you watch out for the buy signals. Right here, from red this became green. From red this became green. So your risk is minimal here when you go along with the trend. So for RPY it is sell. YM it is sell, but we will wait for a rally. If it goes up, then starts dropping, then we can take a shot on RTY. So here we got a nice drop, right? You want to, for a bullish ticker, you want to Look for the dips. It was going up, then there was a drop, and then it started bouncing up. That's the best opportunity. Now I'm taking a long on GC. And again, same thing. We have a buy. Strength is good. There is a lot of bullish strength. There was a drop. And then again, it went above the T5 line. Okay, there is a possibility for a bounce again. Silver also, we got a buy. Now I took a long with silver. Copper buy, silver buy, crude oil buy, GC also buy. So strength is also good for copper, GC. For silver, it is less, little less. Crude oil also it is good. So I got average at 7.710. It's nearly more than $350 with silver, gold, copper, right? So we got a buy signals. There was a drop, and then again they went up. So that is where these are the best opportunities. You should have a buy signal. There should be a drop, and then they should again start bouncing up. It is a bullish ticker. We gave a discount, started going up. We took a long. Copper was a bullish ticker. You got a drop. It went all the way up. So that's it. Right? Nearly less than 15 minutes. You made $300-400. And if you copy them into 10 accounts, 20 accounts, You can multiply your profits. And I hope that is clear for everyone. Yeah, Venkat, please go ahead if you have any questions. Venkat, we can't hear you if you're talking. Yeah, Vinay, please go ahead.
Kishore, these levels are still valid for the night. We are heavily relying on that, but I see you are just taking
Yeah,
the trades based on the MTFF, right?
yeah,
Uh,
we are using everything. We are using the level, you are using the buy signal, you are using the strength.
so the morning levels are still valid for the night too.
Right, until tomorrow morning we can use.
Okay.
Yeah, Venkat, we can't hear you if you're talking.
Y-
Yeah,
Yeah, so Kishore, I was trying to add copper to my Ninja. I couldn't find it. I don't know how to search that.
you can just type it.
Just
Just
type
if
it.
you type
Okay.
HG, yeah.
Okay.
So during this time, the moves will be small. So during this time, we want to wait for huge moves. We'll just make 100, $150, take it. And again, if it comes here, and again, if you see a green candle, we can go long one more time. In the morning time, there can be huge moves. But in the evening time, generally the moves will be little small. So mostly tomorrow, we'll see a nice move on ES and Q tomorrow morning. Tonight, for some time, we may see some bounce with metals and then we may see a drop. Already metals are overextended in last 3 4 days. Yeah, anyone has any other questions? So if we follow the scanners, just watch today morning recording where I explained about all different indicators. I'll share the video one more time. But basically, all we are doing is waiting for the scan. Whenever it gives a buy signal, we are checking whether if there is a drop, we'll go up, we'll take long. If it is a sell signal, there should be a bounce, and then we should get a sell signal. Then we'll take a short. For example, RTY. There was no major. Here there was a nice bounce. And then if you get a sell signal, that is a good opportunity. You don't want to just take a shot somewhere at the bottom. You should see a nice bounce. There should be a rally, and then you should get a sell signal. That is where you will enter the short opportunities. It means you are waiting for price to go up. If you want to sell something, you always want to sell at a high price. You are somewhere at the bottom. You don't want to take a short now. Yeah, hi Ankit, how are you? Please go ahead, Ankit.
Hello, Kishore. How are you?
Yeah, doing good, Ankit. Please go ahead.
Just have a So I was trying to update my future level manager, and somehow it's I've been keep putting those levels which you have given us.
Mm.
Somehow it's populating.
You are not able to use the levels, or can you, do you
No,
want to share
it's
you?
yeah, sure.